Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about buttons in layout in our Android application. Buttons are very important and it is one of the very essential part of any application. Go to the form widgets and we will find button. This is how we can simply add buttons to our applications. When we click on button, in the right hand corner, we will find various properties of this button. Let's say text, hint, text color, and there are a numerous properties available. Let us just rename this by click here and it is done. So this is a simple button and let's learn how to reference this. Remember its ID is button 1. This is our main activity.java and we can reference to button using the button class. Button bt is equal to, we are casting it to button, and we will use the same find view by id method, and its id will be r.id dot button 1. Now the reason this button is not accepted is because we haven't saved it yet. So let us save it, and as you can see it is valid now. So this is how we can reference it to this button and we can do some operations on this button. Now let's go ahead and have a look at some other type of button like this toggle button. It is very important when sometimes in your applications there is a need of toggling and switching over things. So we will see its effect when we run our application. But for now, let us add one more type of button. Go to images and media and select this image button. Now this image button is very useful when you have a customized application. We'll just make it OK, and by default it will set the application icon. But here I have one image which is this pick one. I'll just drag it to the drawable HDPI and I'll select OK. And this is pick1.jpg. So to set that image as the button, click on the image button and go to the source, and we'll select this pick one. Here is the preview of that button and click OK. And as we can see, the button has been added. We can always resize it. Now let's go ahead and save it and run our application to see the effect of all these added things. As we know, it will take some time. So this is our normal button. This is our toggle button, which is on and off. And this is our image button, which looks exactly like the image. So this was the tutorial upon buttons in layout of our Android application. Thank you.